In this video, I'll guide you through how to see satellite view in Google Maps. If you've ever wanted to explore the world from above or get a bird's eye view of your favorite places, switching to satellite view in Google Maps is the perfect way to do it. Whether you're planning your next road trip, checking out a new neighborhood, or just curious about what the world looks like from space, this feature will give you a detailed and immersive experience. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, you'll see the familiar search bar at the top where you can enter any location you wish to explore. But for now, let's focus on getting that satellite view. Next, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the Layers button. It's typically represented by a square layered icon, which suggests that you can stack different views on top of each other, just like layers. Click on this button and you'll be presented with a few options. Among these options, you'll see something that says Satellite. Clicking on this will automatically change your view to satellite imagery. Now you'll notice that the map transforms before your eyes, presenting a detailed satellite view of the area you're exploring. This allows you to see real-world imagery, complete with buildings, roads, and natural landscapes. It's a wonderful way to experience a location as though you were flying over it in a plane. A few things to keep in mind. The satellite view can be zoomed in and out just like the regular map view. You can use your mouse wheel or the plus and minus buttons on the screen to adjust the zoom level. This is particularly useful if you want to get a closer look at a specific area, or if you want to pull back for a more comprehensive view of a larger region. Additionally, if you're using Google Maps on a mobile device, the process is quite similar. Simply open the Google Maps app, tap on the layers icon, and select the satellite view. The interface may look slightly different due to the smaller screen, but the functionality remains the same. In conclusion, switching to satellite view in Google Maps is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your exploration experience. Whether you're planning a trip or simply curious about different parts of the world, this feature offers a unique perspective that you can't get from a traditional map view. So next time you're on Google Maps, give the satellite view a try and see the world from a whole new angle. Remember, this tool is not only fun to use, but also incredibly useful for getting a true sense of the geography of a place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you unlock a new way to explore with Google Maps.